Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Stefan, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash that like button if you found any kind of value. Make sure to subscribe to pick us on this channel with a lot of videos like this every single day or on daily basis. And make sure to turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any. And let's keep it as simple, short, and beginner friendly as possible as always. So, as you can see right here, we have 1 inch with the Tether token. Basically, 1 inch right now is sitting at price of right around 2.7 cents, $2.7. We are up. We are up nearly 14 cents, or approximately 5.25%. But this is fluctuating a lot, so like we will see what will be happening. If you go to the lower time frames, you can see this prediction, bro. Like, come on, if you think that I did not predict this. So, yesterday, just go check my yesterday's video out and you will see how this prediction went. So, when we hit the higher point, I said that we will push to the downside, and it actually happened. Like, it actually happened, but we did not reach this point right here. So, we pushed to the downside, touched this area, and then pushed to the upside, which is moving pretty good for me. And I can see that we may be forming a head and shoulder spiral right there. It can be something like this. Forming the right shoulder. But like, we will see what will be happening. I may be right, I may be wrong. But if you go again to the higher time frames, I will keep this on my charts for just like that. So, right here, I think that if we surpass these high points, right there, let me just zoom out. If we pass these high points, we will start pushing to the upside. But for right now, I'm pretty happy with how it turned. We did not surpass this support or the buy zone that I had right there. So make sure to scoop up some shares right now because we are low and we don't have this opportunity every day. Like this, just don't make sure you don't miss on this try, okay? And I'm not financial advisor. I'm never gonna tell you get in right now, get out right now. I know it sounds like that, but this is just my prediction, guys. You gotta understand that. I'm just giving you my opinion, and my opinion should never be taken as granted, if you feel me. So yeah, this is basically it for today's update. My prediction still sits the same with me. I can just expand the time period, or is this right? I don't know. Let me just. Yeah, I would just keep it right there. So yeah, this is basically it. Let me know what are your thoughts about it, and I will see you guys soon. And if you want to support my channel, smash the like button. It means a lot to me and helps me out a lot. So YouTube can push this video out to a lot of people to watch it. And if you want to support my channel even more, go to the first link in the description, and I will see you guys soon. Peace out. And I love you.